so what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jasmine. If you don't already know, thank you guys so much for stopping by. Today I am going to be reviewing a foundation for you guys. I've been wanting to try this foundation so bad, and I bet you know which foundation I'm talking about. But it is the Maybelline Superstay foundation. This is a 24-hour foundation. I have been wanting to try this so bad, and yeah, you guys, let me know what you think. In this video, I'm going to be showing you one side with a brush and one side with a beauty sponge. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like and comment down below so we can talk to each other. Also, really quickly before we get into the video, I recently got a box from Influenster, and I wanted to show you guys what I got inside of my box. This is actually my very first Influencer box, and I was really surprised that I got it. This is what the box looks like, and it's pretty big, but it's not that much stuff in here. So I'm just going to show you guys what's inside the box. So this is the Finesse box, and on this little card it tells you what's coming inside of the box and how much everything is. So on here, the first thing is the Not Your Mother's Naturals Blue Sea Kale and Pure Coconut Water Weightless Mousse, and it retails for $9 at Ulta. And this is what it looks like. I have used this already in my hair the other day, and I like it actually. This is touchable shape and shine, and it has electrolyte minerals. It's flexible hold. It didn't leave my hair crunchy or anything. I actually really liked it. This is a huge bottle, and like I said, it's $9, so I'm excited to keep using that. Another thing in here in this box is this Ollie Superfoods protein smoothie. I actually drank this the first day that the box came to my door because I had eaten a late breakfast, and so I didn't want anything for lunch, but I didn't want to not eat anything. So I actually just drank this in 10 ounces of almond milk. This has 3 super veggies: broccoli seed extract, spinach, cucumber for abuse of greens. It has 3 super fruits: acai, sea buckthorn, and pomegranate extract for a rainbow of phytonutrients. And then it has vitamins A, C, and E. And yeah, I just put it into a little shaker bottle with 10 ounces of almond milk, like I said, and it was pretty good. I drank this at 12 p.m. and I did not get hungry again till about 4. So I think this is going to be a really good alternative for when I'm on the go, when I'm not really hungry but I want something in my body. And the Ollie Superfood Smoothie retails for $29.99, but you get a 20.4 ounce jar, which is 15 servings. Vegan, gluten-free, and it's natural flavors and sweeteners and non-GMO. So this really caught my attention, and it was yummy. Another thing that I got in this box was the organic minute ready to serve red quinoa and brown rice, because I need to start eating healthier and your girl has been struggling. So yeah, I'm excited to try this, and I'm gonna put some avocado on there too. Yeah, I love avocado. And let me tell you what the brown rice. So the brown rice, you get 2 cups for $2.49, which is pretty good. And then I got the Essie Gel Couture polishes. These are $11.50 each. I got a color and a top coat, and the color I actually have on my nails right now, this color is called Princess Charming, and this is what it looks like. The bottle is like super cute. It's like twisted, super cute. But yeah, let's just jump on into this makeup tutorial because I am so excited and I am shook about this look. This foundation is bomb. Let's just get right into it. Alright y'all, so starting off, I have already moisturized my face. What did I use? To prime my face, I used the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. Don't mind my nails, I broke 2 nails while I was cleaning today. But anyways, yes, this is the primer that I used, and I already moisturized and did my eyebrows off camera. So I'm excited because I'm going to be reviewing the Maybelline Superstay foundation. This is the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. You can wear up to 24 hours. I got the shade Warm Nude. Let's see. So the claims on the bottle are, it's supposed to be full coverage foundation, up to 24 hours wear, seamless matte finish, breathable and comfortable. It's supposed to not fade or transfer. It's oil free, doesn't clog pores, dermatologist tested. So I got this in the shade 128 Warm Nude. But normally in my Fit Me, I'm 220. I used to wear 128, but I feel like 220 matches me better. They didn't have 220 and I really wanted to try this foundation. So I got the shade right next to mine. But it is pretty similar to my L'Oreal True Match, my Bay. This is W4. And so you can see they're pretty similar, if not the same. So I think it's gonna work. So let's get started. I'm super excited to try this. It has not been used. I've been like really on the look for bottles that have been used because of the whole Ulta thing. But I just think it's important to just check your foundations before you buy them. And as you guys can see, this one has never been used. I love the fact that it has a pump because it makes everything so much easier. The Fit Me does not have a pump. I love that one as well, but this one has a pump, so I'm super excited. Let's see. I'm gonna do one side with my Real Techniques, and then I went to Ulta and picked up the Morphe, what is this called? Let's see. The Morphe Highlight and Contour Beauty Sponge. So it has a flat edge on both sides. So it's like a, what's the matter? It's like a triangle, and so I'm really excited to try this. I'm gonna start off, I like to shake it up before I use it. I'm gonna start off by applying some pumps on the back of my hand, 2, 3 for one side. Like, look at my skin. Oh my goodness. And I like this sponge. This sponge is great for like around the nose. This is just one, this was 2 pumps, 2 or 3 pumps, I don't remember. Y'all, that is nice. It's very matte, like it dries down really nicely. It's not like, it doesn't look super dry, it just looks really good. So I'm gonna do 2 pumps only because with the brush sometimes I feel like you get like a full coverage and I don't want to be too heavy. So shook. I think I got a lot fuller coverage on the side with the brush because I do have some areas on this side that seem to stick out more when I use the beauty blender or the beauty sponge. I feel like this side looks more, you see that? This side looks more full coverage than this side. Can you tell? But this overall, like this, oh my god, like this is bomb. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply one more pump, and I'm gonna apply another layer on this side, but I'm gonna use the brush just on this my cheek area because I have a little acne over there. And oh, and the color matches me very, very well. Yes, Look at this. And I gotta fix my eyebrow now, but oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh, I am shook. I am shook to the core. I like this. Oh, blend it on my neck. So the color looks great. Yes, I am loving it. So definitely, I think I like it with a brush, and I never thought I would say that because I love using my beauty sponges to put my foundation on, but the application with the brush was pretty amazing. I loved the coverage that it gave me, and I didn't have to use like a whole bunch. You guys seen how many pumps I did? Yes, I am like super impressed. I'm gonna have to do a wear test on this tomorrow, maybe tonight because I have some videos to film, but yeah, so far I love it, and it feels like I don't have any makeup on my face right now, so I am like super impressed. I'm gonna go do the rest of my face and I will be right back. All right, y'all, I am back with my full face of makeup. This foundation, no joke, like it's bomb. And that's just my initial reaction. So obviously, you know, I have to wear it for a little bit and see how it does with oiliness and all of that stuff. I will test this out within the next couple of days, but my initial reaction to this foundation is I like my skin looks so flawless right now. So if you guys like this video, I know it was really quick. If you guys want to see more makeup tutorials using this foundation or anything else concerning makeup, let me know. Leave me some comments down below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video for me. I would really appreciate it. Stay tuned to my channel because I will be doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway really soon. So make sure you are subscribed and hit that bell down there so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.